Now in order for the game to work, we're going to need to create some variables to store some data for us. At the minute there's only 3 that we need to be concerned about, and that is one for the score, one to decide whether or not we're playing the game, and a final one to work out gravity. Okay, so I'm going to start by clicking on the variables button, and I'm just going to make a variable. I'm going to give it a name, for example score, and I'm going to make sure that it says for all sprites, and then I'm going to click on OK. I've made the final 2 sprites in exactly the same way, and one thing I just wanted to point out, if you look at underneath the variable button, you can see that each of the variables is ticked. If you untick it, you'll notice that it disappears from the stage. For now we're going to keep them ticked just so that we know what they're equal to, and we'll turn them off later in the game. The final thing that you're asked to do in this step is to set all of the variables to 0. So I'm going to start by saying when the game has started again, so it happens straight away. I'm going to set gravity to 0, and then I'm going to change the second one to playing, and the final one to score, like so. It's probably a good idea at this point to make sure you've saved your game. So make sure you've given it a suitable name, and make sure you've saved it to your desktop.